Fernando welcome to Pampanga. Guys, for today's video, we were invited by this newly opened restaurant dito po sa may Lazatin Boulevard. This is Dish and That. Gotta check out kung ano yung mga sinerve nila sa atin dito. So, samahan niyo po ako.
My name is Ivan Valencia. So I have a branch on Guam, which I said I opened up during the pandemic.
Okay.
The dishes here, there's a similarity with the one in Guam, which is the burgers, the smash burgers. We wanted to present it in the best way possible. So it doesn't have to be just a burger joint. It could be a smash burger presented with the nicest dinnerware, the best service, a nice ambiance, nice music. So something as simple as a burger just done very well with excellence.
Wow.
And, you know, simplicity is the ultimate sophistication.
Exactly.
So if we can do something so simple but with excellence, then that's what we want to bring.
So, guys, this is our table for today. Actually, this table, hindi pa ito kompleto, no? So, we still add another table for the burgers, which is yun talaga yung pinaka mga flagship dishes nila dito. But, these are also available. So, ito yung mga must try nila dito. Aside from the burgers, for our salads, we have a beetroot medley. And then the other one is the candied walnut. So, notice yung serving natin dito. You're gonna order this one, and kung ikaw lang kakain, talagang sobrang mabubusog ka na. So, now for the specialty dishes, guys, we have Island Zing Chicken Kelaguen, which is, ito yung galing talaga ng Guam. So, another specialty from Guam, yung kanilang smoked and barbecue chicken. Again, guys, it's shareable. So, we also have 4 seasoned wings. So, ang mga flavors natin, guys, meron tayong classic wings. We also have soy garlic, garlic parmesan, and honey sriracha. It also comes with 4 dips. So, for our pastas, meron tayong 3 variations na sinerve para sa atin. So, the first one is the Truffle Royale, which has chicken and mushroom on top. We also have shrimp and spinach gratin. Ito naman siya. Lastly, so this one is the Black Squid Ink Spaghetti. Wow! For our refreshments, meron tayong mga milkshakes. Okay, so let's start. This is a lot, and we don't want to keep you waiting. Let's try it. Oh wow! Chicken, it's so juicy. I really like it. This is a dry, guys. So yun, guys, this is the shrimp and spinach gratin. Oh, this one's cheesy. And then again, guys, basing on the serving. Okay, this is shareable. So, trying it for the first time. That one's creamy. I must say, yung chicken meat natin is so tender. Now, what about the taste? Tingnan natin. Wow. Sobrang tender. I tell you guys, sobrang lambot. Let's try the rice. So, it's a Guam-style red rice. So, this one is the red rice from Guam. Wow. I think I like this.
Everybody to just be able to feel how it feels to be served with the best service. So when you come here, I just want it to be like you can let all of that go and just, you know, just focus on the food that you eat. And everybody, when they come here, just to experience the highest form of service.
There you go. This is our second table, so we would like to thank Dish and That for being such a generous host for this video. Thank you so much. Notice, guys, on our table, meron pa tayong mga specialty dishes. Ito yung mga must-try dito. So, these are the smash burgers that they call it. So, this one is called the Island Dish Loco Moco. Ito yung isa sa mga galing din sa Guam, which is very special doon. And then another one is the seared salmon and herb. Ito yun, one of my favorite dishes, of course. mga salmon dishes. Now, let's go sa mga burgers naman nila. Let me go from here. This is called the Crispy Zinger Burger. All-American Beef Bacon Burger. This is the Mighty Mushroom Melt. This is the Triple Melt Majesty Burger. Ito naman guys ay yung kanilang Inferno Blaze Burger. Another one is the Pulled and Patty Perfection. Ito siya. And then lastly is the Hickory Kiss Chicken Delight. So here you can actually prefer a brioche bun or this black bun. Depende po sa inyo kung anong gusto nyo. So parang totoo nga pala yung sinasabi ng owner natin dito. You can actually split it into 6 just for everyone to taste it. Pwedeng-pwede pala siya kasi ganito sila kalalaki eh. Cheers! Pero you're gonna take it kasi sobrang sarap niya guys. Every burger is served with French fries.
Come down to Dishinat. We are home of the baddest smash burgers. And if you have any doubts, come check for yourself. And if you still have doubts, bring it up to me. I'll make sure that we fit that description all the time.
Right.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. All right.
Once again, thank you so much Dish and That for being such a generous host for this video. Maraming salamat. So many to taste. But once again guys, if you're looking for an alternative go-to for your weekend family getaway, mga restaurants, go check out Dish and That. Located po sila dito sa may Lazatin Boulevard. During weekdays, so they're open from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. During weekends naman, they're open from 11 a.m. up until 11 p.m. So days, they're open from Monday to Sunday, guys. If you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next one. Until then, peace out. Bye, guys.